Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Portutif. This is their handheld vacuum cleaner. It's a rechargeable cordless vacuum cleaner, and this is going to be good for cleaning small jobs in your house or maybe outside, maybe your car. This will work out just fine. We're going to dig into it now and check it out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is everything that you get once you get it out of the box. Of course, you get the main unit itself. It comes in a couple different colors. I have the white unit here. There's also an orange and a blue unit as well for the GE753. You do get a manual here. It's in a few different languages, and it has nice big print in it, so you're not going to have any problems reading this. So hold on to it in case you need to reference it. They do give you this bag here, and you can store the unit itself and the attachments in this drawstring bag. So it's very nice that they give you this kind of to keep everything together. Say you wanted to store this in your car or something like that. You could store it in your car if you needed to, and you can keep it in the bag to keep it protected. Now, what we're going to take a look at is the charger. It comes attached as a wall mount, so you can mount this to the wall, and then you'll be able to just kind of hang the whole entire thing on this and attach it to anywhere in your wall. You can remove this, by the way, so if you want to remove it, you can remove it as well. That is pretty simple, and I'll show you right now. Here's the wall mount, and to take this out, you can see that there is one side that is flat, and you can insert this here. You'll see that if you insert it on the flat side and then just rotate it to lock it in, that's how you can either remove it or keep it in, depending on whether you want to use it as a wall mount, or if you want to just use it as a regular plug-in, which in some places you might not want to use the wall mount, like say you live in an apartment and you're not allowed to drill holes or something like that. You can easily do that. So you can detach it from the wall mount and just use it as a straight plug-in if you wish to. So moving back to the attachments here, we do get a brush attachment, and this has some nice stiff bristles on it. This would be good if you have pets and you want to kind of get pet hair out of maybe your couch or your floors. You can use the brush to loosen the pet hair, and then it'll be a lot easier to clean up that way. And then you have this longer attachment here, and this is to get into tighter spaces if you're going to do your baseboards or you're going to do your stairs where you need to get into that 90-degree angle. And these attach pretty easily. They're just snap in as long as you don't do it upside down like I was just about to do. You can snap it on in there, and then to remove it, you just have to pull it on out. It does have a little bit of force there to get everything pulled out, so a nice tight fit on these, and they do work really well for what they're designed to do, which it gives you a little bit more than just its normal large opening that you see there. Now they do give you a cleaning brush here. Speaking of that large opening, you can use the cleaning brush when you are cleaning out the dust bin itself. You can definitely use that to help you remove any debris. Now you do have your power button here. You're going to long press this to turn it on or off. You can also remove the dustbin up at the top here as well. You do have some venting on the side, and of course your DC in for power on the bottom. And of course you can use, again, either it's straight in or you can actually use the wall mount. Now the upper button will release your dustbin, and it is a 400 milliliter dust cup. You do have this HEPA filter that is a 2-part HEPA filter, and you can wash this as well. Turning it counterclockwise will release this secondary portion here that can easily be washed off as well. And then you've got your filter there, and then of course turning it clockwise will click it into place, and then you can put it back into the dustbin and you're good to go. So this is pretty easy here to maneuver if you need to clean it or anything like that. It works out pretty well, and everything is nice and sturdy and easy to use. Snaps right back into place and we're good to go. Now we're going to turn this on and let you hear how loud it gets in just a moment. So that's about as loud as it gets. It gets up to about 78 decibels, just to give you a frame of reference. The suction on this is 8,000 PA, and it feels very strong to me. I did put my hand in front there. We're going to do a little debris pickup here, just as an idea with one of the attachments, just so you can see how powerful this is, what size materials it can pick up, and that type of thing. Okay, so right here I've got some crushed up cereal. This is something that you parents have probably seen somewhere on your couches or your floors if you have children. We're going to use this attachment here. We're going to fire it up and see how well it cleans. So there you go. It cleaned that pretty well. Even the bigger pieces, it didn't have a problem with cleaning those, even with that smaller attachment on there. Obviously, if you use the wider attachment, you can see that there is going to be no problems here. You can see it kind of has a kind of almost tornado effect with the suction on this. And of course, removing this to clean it out is super simple and easy. It's got a 2200 milliamp battery in it that'll last up to 30 minutes of continuous use, and it takes about 2 hours to charge. So it's going to be great for small jobs, either indoors or outdoors, say like cleaning your car or something like that. Overall, I think they did a really good job here, and this works out pretty well. So there you go. That's my review of the Portutif 8,000 PA rechargeable handheld vacuum cleaner. Overall, it works very well and has a pretty decent suction on it for the size of the unit. Overall, I'm definitely going to give this a thumbs up. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.